हेलो एवरीवन। लिमिटेशन एक्ट 1963 का टेस्ट सीरीज 1 मैं आपके साथ शेयर कर रहा हूं। आप इसको टेस्ट के थ्रू ही दे सकते हैं। मैं हर एक क्वेश्चन में 30 सेकेंड्स का टाइमर आपको दूंगा और आंसर्स जो है वो आप नोटिफिकेशन में या फिर कमेंट्स में आपको आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे। सो पहला क्वेश्चन, द लिमिटेशन एक्ट ब्रॉट इनटू फोर्स इन द ईयर। ऑप्शन ए 1963, ऑप्शन बी 1964, ऑप्शन सी 1965 एंड ऑप्शन डी 1967। आप इसका आंसर पॉज करके भी टैली कर सकते हैं फ्रॉम द कमेंट सेक्शन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच इज करेक्ट फॉर द लॉ ऑफ limitations? Limitation bars the judicial right. Limitation extinguish the rights. Limitation bars the extrajudicial remedy. And option D, limitation is a substantive law. आप ये क्वेश्चन को पॉज करके भी अपना टाइम ले सकते हैं आंसर करने के लिए। क्वेश्चन 3, द लिमिटेशन एक्ट 1963 applies to option A, proceedings before the court, option B, proceedings before the quasi judicial authority, option C, proceedings before an executive authority, and option D, none of this. Question 4, mark the incorrect statement regarding limitation act. Option A, bars the judicial remedy. Option B, does not extinguish substantive rights. Option C, it is an adjective or procedural law. Option D, creates a right in favor of a person. Question 5, period of limitation means. Option A, the period of limitation prescribed for any suit, appeal or application by the schedule to the Limitation Act. Option B, the period of limitation computed in accordance with the provision of Limitation Act. Option C, both A and B. Option D, none of the above. Question 6, where no period of prescribed for exercise of power in statute like Limitation Act, such power must be exercised. Option A, within reasonable time. Option B, within maximum time. Option C, within minimum time. And option D, depends upon the court's decision. Question number 7, when right to institute a suit for the possession of any property becomes time barred, right to property shall, option A, continue, option B, extinguished, option C, subject to argument, option D, none of this. Question number 8, the Limitation Act 1963 does not apply to. Option A, suits, option B, appeals, option C, certain applications including the petition, option D, writ petition. Ninth question, which of the following maxims represents the law of limitations? Option A, interest, republicly, ut sit, finish, lithium. Option B, vigilantibus, non, dormantibus, jura, subvenient. Option C, both A and B. Option D, neither A nor B. Last question, question number 10. Under Limitation Act 1963, applicant means option A, a petitioner, option B, person from or through whom an applicant derives his title, option C, any person whose estate is represented by the applicant as executor, administration, or other representative, and option D, all of the above. तो यहाँ पे हमारा टेस्ट सीरीज 1 कंप्लीट होता है। आपको आंसर्स कमेंट्रीज में मिल जाएंगे। थैंक यू।